Hey guys, just picked up the Mini X. I'm going to be renting it for about 5 days, so we'll see how much work we can get done with that thing. These things are heavy. If you're not used to hauling machinery or equipment like this, the excavator and trailer together were probably about 12,000 pounds, and we had to go up some really steep hills to get here, so definitely felt it. There she is. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Hopefully it dries up a little bit by the end of the week, because we definitely sunk here. It's pretty wet still. So we currently have this part leveled out right here. And I'm going to be working on leveling it out all the way over to these bricks over here. So first I'm going to have to get some of these implements out of the way. Alright, I'm thinking we're about done. Whether we want to be or not, there's a pretty good storm coming in. So pretty level here. Not 100%, but I think I can finish with our tractor and a back blade later. I have to push a lot of dirt out here for our driveway to try to keep that slope from being too steep. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. Time to get the Mini X back.